how to use Wix to make a portfolio website. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video I'm going to be telling you how you can use Wix to create your own portfolio website. So having said that, let's just jump into the video. So as you can see, I'm over here onto Wix, and over here you can create a website with ease. You don't really need to do anything, and they basically give you a bunch of different templates that you can use in order to create a portfolio website. Now, Wix is free, but there is a pricing plan. So let's go ahead and quickly get over that real quick so that we can get started. So there's 4 plans. There's the Lite, the Core, the Business, and the Business Elite. In order for some features to be available, you will need to go ahead and buy the paid plan. So if you will have a domain and you want to connect a domain, then you will have to purchase the $17 plan minimum, but I recommend going with the core plan because it would give you a little bit much more options. So for example, if you go with the Lite plan, you will have 2 collaborators, you get 2 gigabytes of storage, and you get Lite marketing suite, and you can add 1 free domain. But if you go with the core one, it will give you the option to have 5 collaborators, so 5 people can work on the website. You will get 50 gigabytes of storage space, basic marketing suite, free domain for 1 year, and on top of that you get 1 basic site analytics. You can accept payments and basic e-commerce option as well, which I think is pretty cool. And then you have the business option, which is $36 per month. In it you get 10 collaborators instead of 5, 100 gigabytes instead of 50. You get standard marketing instead of basic, same 1 free domain for 1 year. You get standard site analytics instead of basics. You get accept payments, and you get standard e-commerce option instead of basic options. And then you have the business Elite, which is $160. In it you get 15 collaborators, unlimited storage, advanced marketing, advanced suite, advanced e-commerce, and advanced developer platforms. So it depends on you which plan you want. So now that you know how much it would cost you, let's go ahead and move on. We are going to be continuing with the free plan, as we'll not be connecting a domain, but you can do that on your own. So let's go back and click on login, and I'm going to log in with my Google account because I already have an account. So as you can see, I've logged in, and once you log in, over here, you will be able to create a new site, right? And over here, you can see all the sites that I have. So I'm going to click on go to all sites, and it's going to open up the Wix Studio. And here you will see all the sites that you currently have. Currently, I have no sites, so I'm going to go ahead and create a new site by clicking on create new site button. And then how would you like to start creating a site? All right, so there's 2 options. Start with a blank canvas, or you can start with a template. If this is your first time building a website, I recommend going with a template option, as it will give you a much better option. And down below, you even have the option to build with the Wix editor. But I recommend going with the template, and then you can edit that template and you can build around that template as well. So click on the template option, and here you will find all the options as well. So these are all Wix Studio options. So let's go ahead and search for a template. So if we click on template over here, you can search for a certain type of template, or if you come over here onto the left-hand side, we have types, and here we will have a portfolio option. Click on portfolio, and here we go. So here we have a bunch of different options to choose from. Now, you can select whichever type of website you feel that is best for you and go ahead and use it and build around that. So currently, these are all good, but I also want to select the Wix editor, and maybe we can find some good options over there as well, because I really like that. Now you can start building your website with chat, or you can set up without chat. If you go ahead and start with chat, it's going to ask you a bunch of different questions, and then build your website around those questions depending upon what type of answers you've given. I recommend don't doing that, as it is a little bit janky, but for now we're going to go ahead and select portfolio. So the previous options that we saw, the previous templates, those are all Wix Studios, right? Those were newer templates. These are the older options over here. So here you can go ahead and create your website like so. Over here you can add your name. Website name is going to be whatever you like. You can skip it for now and add it later, but I'll go ahead and add it. So I'll just say, and then click on continue. Then we have the Wix apps. Here you can go ahead and add different applications into your website. That way it'll look even better. And you can even add other options like forms or chats or booking or events, and then click on continue. It's going to add all of that to your website, and then click on continue to dashboard, and you should be good to go. Now, once you've done that, over here is going to be your domain. You can go ahead and connect it. You can add a project to your portfolio. You can design your website and get refund. First things first, what you need to do is you need to upload your portfolio. So let's go ahead and add a bunch of different projects within our portfolio, right? So over here, choose all the type of work you'd like to showcase. Web designs, photography, brand, whatever, right? It depends on you. So let's say we go ahead and select others. And here we'll go ahead and say editing or video editing, whatever. whatever it is that you want and click on next, and then upload from your computer or import it using the Wix Media Manager. If you already have uploaded it to the Wix Media Manager, you can import them, but if not, you can upload your own stuff over here and you should be good to go. And here we go. So I've uploaded it, and now we can go ahead and save and close the projects right here. And now if we go back to setup, right, we've already done that. We've added the portfolio right here. Now it's time to design our site. Let's go ahead and click on design site. It's going to open up over here. And now we can go ahead and use the template option or generate with AI. I'm going to pick a template. You can continue either with generate design with AI or continue without using a template and using a blank canvas. It depends on you. Now here you have a bunch of different works. So let's say we select this one. This one looks good. It's similar to videography. So we're going to use this as our base. So let's go ahead and click on edit. And basically what we're going to do with this template is we're going to replace all of the portfolio options that we have and upload our own portfolio and change up the text, the names, and all the necessary details, maybe even the colors a little bit, and make it our own. And once that's done, we are good to go. So it's loading up the editor right here, as you can see. So give it a couple of seconds. All right, so now that that's loaded up, this is how it looks like. So right here, what we can do is we can go ahead and start editing it out. So here we can see we'll leave it at that. Here we'll edit out the text. So I've already done that. I've changed the text. A website showcasing video editing performance. So we'll see that we've already added that. Here is going to be your options where you can go ahead and add what type of video do you use, what type of, video editing you do. And then down below you have 3 categories where you can go ahead and add your projects accordingly. So let's go ahead and edit it out, right? So let's say over here, this is a specific type of category that we want to add, right? So what we'll do, click on this button right here. Here we have the content, here we have the layout, here we have manage videos. Now to actually go ahead and add videos within this section, what we'll do is click on it. It'll open up a quick edit option right here on the right hand side. So then what you want to do is click on manage videos, give it a couple of seconds to load up, and then you can go ahead and select all the videos that you have added within your video section, and you should be good to go. Here you can go ahead and upload it. So pretty simple. Upload the video that you like and we are good to go. So let's say we add this video right here. There we go. Upload in progress. Go ahead and edit your site. So we'll just leave it at that. There we go. It's uploaded. We'll select the video, and I believe that's pretty much it. It's just transcoding, so we'll leave it at that for now, and we should be good to go. And if we click on this setting option, we can open up the settings section as well. Now, we want to go ahead and add an element. So right here, we click on the element option. We can see we have these button options as well. So over here, this button is basically where we manage all the videos. When they click on this button, they'll be taken over to a page where they can view all the videos that we currently have. So right here is the video. We can go ahead and add more videos to it, and pretty simple, that's it. And over here, we have some preview on the background, and we are good to go. So next, what you can do is just change the background image over here. Click on this little quick edit option, and here it will open up again. And here is the section background. And now you can go ahead and change the background as well to either video or an image or a color, whatever it is that you want. And then what you can do is, of course, upload your portfolio into each of these different sections, and you should be good to go. And after that, once you've done editing the website, of course, you can go ahead and change some of the elements like the background color. I think black looks pretty good, so we'll leave it. Change up some of the text, and you are good to go. After that, you can go ahead and publish it, change the URL, change some of these options right here, and boom, you're done. That is it. That is how you create a portfolio website using Wix. So thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on post notifications. And I will catch you guys in the next video. And until then, take care and goodbye.